One of the first things I noticed on here was that his pipe mount on here is snapped in half and he put string around it. That's definitely a no-no. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and put him on a nice little used pipe mount for now. Cause shit like this will make you end up on the limit update page, but we gonna keep this business. Yeah, his reeds is definitely still perfect. They don't got no cracks, no chips, no nothing. Now see with these carburetors, his slides is off. One of his slides is off. They both supposed to hit evenly at the same exact time. And that'll cause one side to hit a little harder than the other side. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna adjust it so both of them can hit exactly at the same time. Now they hitting exactly at the same time.